Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher CCCU Assembly. And I've been missing all of you so much. You might have noticed that I haven't been in to pop in to visit you in your classrooms in this last week, and that's because I've sadly been really ill. But I've been working on myself to get myself healthy and strong again, eating lots of fruit and taking medicine as prescribed by the doctor. You only take medicine if it's prescribed by the doctor. And I am getting stronger, and please God, I will be back in school very soon to see all of you. So, we know what we're about at Grange. We have a great caring attitude, and we're always trying our best, and we're always learning, especially from our mistakes. And what we do with our mistakes, we learn from them. We're always going for improvement and progress, trying to make ourselves better. We use everything we learn to help us to make great choices, and we never give up. That's us. We're CC learners. We have character strength. We have confidence for ourselves. We believe in ourselves, and we care about ourselves, we look after ourselves, and we have consideration. We care about everybody around us and the world around us, and we believe that kindness is strength. And I'm so grateful this week to all the Grange adults who've just been amazing, especially while I've been ill at home. They've been helping to just look after our school and just make our school such an amazing place. And actually, it makes you realize we all need each other. We all have to really be grateful to each other. So I'm going to say a massive thank you to Miss Edwards, Mr. Rashid, and Miss Waite, and Mr. Hutchinson, and all the amazing adults who've just been Grange adults who've just been in school this last week and just looked after everybody. Can't say all their names because there's so many of them. But if you can, please, when you see a Grange adult, just say thank you for looking after me, for looking after us, for just making our school so brilliant. So thank you. We've got to have gratitude for our Grange adults. And we spoke last time about ABCD of education, and we spoke about CC walking and star sitting and about being brilliant. And I just at this point want to say that before I was ill, I went into Greta Thunberg class, and oh my goodness, it was the start of the day. It was so beautiful. It was so calm. There was just lovely music playing, and every child was just looking at their work and just writing, and all the adults were busy getting ready to teach, and it was just an amazing atmosphere. So that's the way it should be in every Grange class. All the children making brilliant choices and all the adults so focused to make a difference for the children. So, so proud that we have a school like that. So this is our official Grange ABCD of education. Now this comes from Semina, who's in year 4 and is an amazing Grange pupil. Semina said A is for attitude. We all have to have a positive attitude. We all say to ourselves, today is a great day for learning. I'm going to learn. I'm going to do well. B is for bravery. Sometimes we feel like, oh, I don't know if I can do this. I'm a little bit scared, or oh, it's too hard. But no, we are brave and we say, yeah, I'm going for it. I'm going to do my best. I'm going to try my hardest. I am a brave CC learner from Grange. And then the C is for confidence. That's each one of us. You know what? We need to put our hand on our heart. Doesn't matter what anybody else says, or even sometimes remember we spoke before in assembly about that inner critic. That sometimes that voice in our head that says, "Oh, I'm not good enough." No, we have that strong voice in our head and in our heart. That voice of confidence that says, "I believe in myself, and I'm brave, and I have a positive attitude. I'm confident that I'm going to do my very best." And D is for doing well, because you are going to do well, because you are brilliant, because you are a child of Grange. So that's our ABCD of education. I'm going to design some amazing posters to put around our school. If you want to make a poster, please make a poster. Now, the other thing is we have something very special at our school. We have our podcast. It's a little bit like a radio, but it's very amazing. So if you go on Google and you just put in the Great Grange podcast, you will see that our latest episode is all about Black Pride, because this month is Black History Month, and in this month we are being proud about Black history, proud about all our adults who are Black, our children who are Black, and we're just proud to have this amazing, amazing history in our midst, Black history, so and Black life. So if you want, you can listen to this conversation. This is Miss Bartley and Miss Kalu and myself. And we're going to do more of these as well. This Friday, I think I'm going to do a conversation with Mr. Gomez and Mr. Johnson and Mr. Amateo. I'm really looking forward to that. So let's all enjoy Black History Month and really learn about amazing Africa and amazing history and about amazing strength of all the great Black history makers and the amazing Black history that has led us to Black Pride today. So our stars of the week, we have got Dylan and Enya and Kevin. It's fantastic to see you there, Kevin. And Santos, brilliant to see you there, Santos. Clayton, amazing. Sean, fantastic. Mate, brilliant. Lorenza, Rosanna, I'm just so proud of all you gold people. Look at that, started with Dylan and look at that to Rosanna. And wow, here comes Zara H. That's amazing. Well done, gold people. Yara class champions in Rumi, it's Sarah G and Tasnim in Rumi and Ruviana in Rumi. Wonderful work. Sean in Malala, Nicole B in Malala, and Isaac in Malala, and Keita Rani in Malala, and Ubaid in John Lennon, Davinza in John Lennon, Dylan in John Lennon, and Nazanin in John Lennon. Nazanin just started off at Grange. Fantastic, fantastic work. That is brilliant to see the class champions. Rosanna and Greta Thunberg, Zara H. and Greta Thunberg, Esanula and Greta Thunberg, Aftab and Alan Turing, Sophia D. and Alan Turing. Wow, wonderful work, yo. And Mortada and Alan Turing. Fantastic. Oh, and Ida is there. Well done, Ida, as well. Look at you, amazing year one class champions at Grange. So, look at how many points we got this last week. 22,624 points. That is what I call CC power. So well done, everybody. Proud of you. So who are the classy classes? Well, Rumi class, well done to you. You stayed in the classy class, top 3. Greta Thunberg class, look at you. You have got over 1,000 points. And Malala class, wow, 1,526 points. Amazing work. Well done. So everybody, we are almost at our target of 100,000 points. That's such a massive number. And you really have to do your maths and learn your maths to know place value to be really able to appreciate just how big that number is, 100,000. Look how many zeros are there. And each one of those zeros, what are they representing? Well, I know you love your maths at Grange, so enjoy it. We are doing so well at Grange because our school is an amazing place, and each one of us in our school of Grange, we're powerful, we're kind, we're loved, and we're Grange, and we are going to make it. So I can see something really special that's coming for Christmas. So let's give one CC salute to ourselves, hand on heart. Let's wave our hand around, all around us, our beautiful planet, our beautiful world. We're going to be so kind and so considerate, and we're going to look after ourselves as well. So that's our CC salute. Confidence for ourselves, consideration for others. We always do good listening, kind words, and great actions with confidence and consideration, because Grange is our school. So let's be great, let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the learning ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.